Hey everyone, today I will explain how you can fix YouTube TV black screen. One of the most common reasons is the network connection. A slow internet connection can cause a black screen as the video reloads. Do a quick internet speed check, then restart the router. If the problem persists, you should contact your internet service provider to have them reset your internet connection on this site. Restarting the device is also a great way to quickly solve YouTube TV no picture. This process can clear out the glitches causing YouTube TV black screen. If you use YouTube TV on your smart TV, you should unplug your TV from the primary power source. If you use a mobile phone, you can restart it by pressing the power button and choosing the restart button. And if you use a computer, click the Windows or Apple buttons and press restart. If your YouTube app doesn't update to the latest version, it may cause YouTube TV black screen. Developers frequently update apps to fix bugs and improve performance. If you miss this update, it may lead to YouTube TV black screen. You should quickly fix it by updating it to the latest version from your respectable device's app store. Why is my YouTube TV black screen? Corrupted cache files in the YouTube TV can cause a black screen and subsequent playback errors. Clearing the app cache on your smartphone or smart TV can resolve this problem. YouTube TV's malfunctions can occur due to corrupt data, malicious activity, or cache issues. Apart from clearing the cache, get rid of glitches by uninstalling the current app. When you uninstall, all the associated data will be deleted. A clean install of the YouTube TV app on your TV, gaming console, or other device should get rid of the black screen issue. Thank you for watching.